Welcome to Data Labs, the podcast where we at BizTory share bite-sized tips and insights on data and analytics. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're celebrating the 10th episode of our Data Labs podcast series. DJ, play some party music. Okay, let's get back to the podcast. Today we'll be exploring an interesting topic, being, is data the new plastic, and why? More importantly, we'll be looking at how you can increase data clarity in your organization to enable faster and better decision-making. Let's dive in. In today's world, businesses continue to grow their digital operations. And as that happens, the amount of data that organizations are generating and accessing is increasing too. However, data can be notoriously tricky to work with. Each organization, with its unique structure and requirements, faces complex challenges when trying to streamline this data for effective decision-making. Businesses today are inundated with data from multiple sources like CRMs, social media, e-commerce platforms, and more. Yet, the sheer volume and the scattered nature of this data across various legacy systems and departmental silos can lead to significant inconsistencies, making it difficult to perform accurate business reporting and strategic planning. This combination of legacy systems and departmental data silos can create significant data inconsistencies, which in turn makes accurate business reporting and planning extremely difficult. You've heard the phrase before. Data is no longer the new gold. It's everywhere these days and has become a commodity. Even stronger, there is a fun analogy these days of data is the new plastic. It's everywhere and can be pollutant for the business too. Having data is not what puts your organization ahead. How you work with data to get ahead is what matters. Leveraging data in a careful, sustainable, and scalable way so that it does not become pollutant. Data harmonization is key. It is what puts you at the forefront of data-driven innovations. Now, in order to successfully become data-driven, organizations need a data strategy in place, which is purpose-built to meet their requirements. As many leaders now seek to leverage their data to drive growth for their business, access to clean, reliable, and organized data delivered through a tailored data strategy is critical to facilitate faster data-driven decision-making and encourage a move towards an internal data culture. The main question at this point now is, what is a data-driven approach? Let's explore that for a short bit. A data-driven approach is one that uses data as the primary source of information to support key business decisions. It involves three key steps. The first one being developing a tailored data strategy. Crafting a data strategy that aligns with specific business goals is crucial. This strategy should guide data collection, analysis, and implementation to support growth and a shift towards an internal data culture. Secondly, you need to be using the right tools. Employing advanced tools and systems to aggregate data effectively, remove barriers, and simplify reporting processes, enabling timely and informed decisions. And lastly, you need to cultivate the right team. By that we mean, you need to be supporting your workforce to adopt and drive a data-centric approach across all levels of the organization. Okay, now you should have a better understanding of what we mean by a data-driven approach. Now let's talk about how to get there. What steps do you need to take to make your business think and operate in a more data-driven way? Circling back to the 3 points we covered before, it all starts with implementing a tailored data strategy. It is the first step towards becoming a data-driven organization. Your data strategy should be designed to meet the specific needs and goals of your business and will lay out the roadmap for how you can utilize data to achieve these objectives. Take our customer Partena Professional, for example. They saw too many people still make decisions based on their gut feeling, and that needed to change. Their data team mission statement is, introduce a true data culture within Partena Professional. They provide the facts that allow their managers to make the right decisions and figure out where they're heading tomorrow, reinforcing the business strategy to become the best in the market. there is no doubt that they are sitting on a lot of data. They said, it's more a matter of having the right strategy in place that changes the mindset of people and their way of working with that data. The second step we mentioned was using the right tools and platforms. In order to make the most of your data, you need to have the right technology in place to collect, store, and analyze it effectively. Working with a reputable cloud data solutions provider can help you get started on this journey and ensure that you have the right tools and infrastructure in place to support your data-driven approach. Let's take another BizTalk customer as an example. Secret Escapes operates in 21 countries worldwide. They are the UK's biggest members-only website that runs best-in-market sales of 4- and 5-star hotels and holidays, offering members luxury travel deals at low prices. So for their sales teams, it's essential to be able to have an informed conversation. They need to know how much they charged last time, how many similar hotels are going for on their website, and if special events are taking place. Before our collaboration, the Secret Escapes BI team created monthly datasets in their databases based on the questions they anticipated the different sales teams would request that month. People could download these datasets and play around with them, but they lacked joined-up thinking and the ability to build on other people's insights. So they started by migrating all their data from the database into the first tool, Snowflake. Snowflake is powerful, fast, and it can bring data in from many different places, allowing for many more data points and impactful insights. On top of that, they now have Tableau as a second tool installed for data visualization and insights. All the questions everyone asks from their data every day are perfectly presented. The Secret Escape salespeople now connect directly to the data and create their personalized data insights. While talking to hotels, they can now make smart decisions on the fly, with always up-to-date data at their fingertips, and do on-the-spot data analysis for negotiations. Secret Escapes told us, and we quote, "Our sales can now make smarter pricing decisions in minutes, not hours." That is data-driven decision-making. Okay, going back to how to get there. We've covered having an analytics strategy in place, and why selecting the right tools is essential for success. The third point on the list was cultivating the right team and potentially bringing in external support and expertise. There are many potential roadblocks on the way to becoming a data-driven organization, so it's important to have expert support in place throughout the project to help you overcome these. Working with a data consultancy can provide you with the guidance and expertise you need to make the most of your data and educate your teams. Combining these three things together, your analytics strategy, the right tech stack, and analytics knowledge will definitely accelerate your journey to become more data-driven. So what benefits will you start to see for your business on that journey? A first thing is the removal of data silos and how this helps you achieve more data clarity as an organization. Like we said at the start of this episode, over time, many businesses accumulate a range of systems and tools to address the needs of individual departments. This creates pools of data which are often inaccessible to other business functions or cannot be read by other tools in use. Data stored in this way often results in inefficient or inaccurate reporting and hinders effective decision-making. By aggregating business data and encouraging the sharing of insights across teams, leaders have the opportunity to achieve data clarity and ensure data used to inform key business decisions is trustworthy. Secondly, you'll be more able to make decisions rooted in fact, not opinion. A data-driven organization is able to take a scientific and strategic approach to their decision-making. This not only provides better insights and clarity on what actions to take, but also leaves a clear trail of reasoning that can be revisited and updated as new information becomes available. By understanding the impact of decisions as they're made, organizations can course-correct quickly and efficiently when necessary, driving improved results over time. And finally, next to enhanced customer experiences, improved communication and collaboration, you'll be able to deliver more sustainable results. A data-driven decision-making process doesn't just produce short-term results, it also delivers more sustainable outcomes as it takes a long-term view of the business. By understanding historic data alongside current results, businesses can unlock valuable trends in their data, gaining insight into any points of weakness in their processes, identifying new business opportunities, and much more. By using their data as a foundation for strategic decisions, leaders can avoid guesswork and help ensure sustainable results for the organization. So, is data the new plastic? No, not at all. How you work with data is what matters. Leveraging it in a careful, sustainable, and scalable way so that it does not become plastic. Data harmonization is key here as it allows businesses to navigate today's fast-paced market dynamics more effectively, paving the way for sustained growth and competitive advantage. By embracing a structured approach to data, your business can transform data into a strategic asset, not plastic. Thank you for joining us on Data Labs. Harness these insights to sharpen your decision-making and propel your organization forward. Check out more on this topic in our detailed blog at biztory.com.